Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix your game requires a system restart to play error in Valorant. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to run Valorant as administrator. So the system restart message may indicate that it's a permission issue. So if your game didn't have necessary permissions to run certain services, the issue will occur and you will not be able to play Valorant. So to fix it, you can forcibly open your game with administrative privileges. So here's how you can do that. So in the search box, just simply type Valorant and you right click Valorant and simply select open file location. And when the window opens, right click on the Valorant shortcut and select properties. After that, select the compatibility tab just like right there and check on to the run this program as administrator and then click apply and then okay. And then what you can do next right here, if you have done this fix and the problem still persists, is to enable Vanguard service and change its startup type. So Riot Vanguard is Riot's all new anti-cheat system and it's required to play Valorant. So you need to make sure that it is enabled. So to check it, follow the instructions right here. So on your keyboard, just simply press the Windows logo key and then R at the same time to open the run dialog box. So after that, just simply type msconfig and press enter and then click on to these services right here. So locate the VGC service. So tick the box next to it to enable the service. And after that, just simply press apply and then OK and click restart. And so that's it. So after rebooting your computer, you can play your game to check if your problem is resolved. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.